Hi, I'm Steve from Amtech. Today I'm going to be installing our keyless combination locking bolt, the T1151. The Amtech keyless combination locking bolt comes with a 4-digit combination bolt which is made from zinc alloy body with a durable polyester finish. It's easy to install and is supplied with anti-tamper mounting screws. The tools I'm going to be using are my spirit level, my cordless drill with a 3mm wooden drill bit, flat-ended screwdriver, a pencil, and of course my safety equipment. My first job is to decide where I want the lock. Ideally I want it somewhere in the middle of the door. The next is to use the spirit level to make a straight line all the way across. Next, placing the lock on the line, I need to mark the places where the screws are going to go. Now, the lock is a little bit over the centre of the door, but that's not a problem because the door will still open. Next, using my cordless drill on the drill section with the 3mm wooden drill bit, I'm going to make a few pilot holes. Not too deep. Now it's time to attach the screws. But remember, these are security screws. Once they are in place, they will not come back out. With all the screws in place, you can now see if I try to unscrew it, you cannot get any purchase on the screw to try and undo it at all. Now time to install the black keep plate. Slide the bolt along so it's fully extended and slide the keep plate into place. Because this door doesn't fit quite properly, I have to put some pressure against it, but I now mark the 2 positions of the holes. Again, drill some 2 pilot holes, not very deep. So that's the bolt now fitted to my shed. Now to change the code from 0000, which is the default code from the factory, you pull the bolt all the way along, pull it up and over to the left as far as it will go, hold it in place while you change the number to whatever you want your code to be. I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 for the time being, and then let go the bolt again, and again you can lock. If I now change it back to 0, 0, 0, 0, the lock won't move, and it's now a locked shed. Now the reason I've put this bolt on is not to stop thieves getting into it, because my garden's very, very secure. It's more to stop young children accessing my tool shed and mucking about with my tools. Thanks for watching. For any other questions regarding tools for the home, garage and garden, please visit amtechdiy.com and we look forward to answering them for you. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our Amtech DIY YouTube channel for more DIY videos. Thank you.